Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in home in our English 127 creative writing class. And as you know, home for us acts as a bulletin board to our class. Okay, so what do we have on our bulletin board for this week? We have our week 10 to-do list and modules, April 14th through the 19th. The 14th is a Tuesday. That's because April 13th is a holiday for us. So our week begins on Tuesday. So we have 5 items here. The first is Curtis Sittenfeld's 2017 short story, The Prairie Wife. We will be posting essays about that and discussing it. We have our Lolita Online Journal, Part 2, Chapters 1 through 3. We have another great writing share out. We have a pop writing, an unannounced short writing, and we have 5 submit any late work, and we have one more week of amnesty for late work in the COVID-19 era. It's very stressful for all of us. Some people have not been posting. I know you're probably dealing with the fallout from COVID-19. Okay, just remember to contact me in the inbox here. Let me know what's going on, and if I can help you in any way, I will. All right, I'm going to scroll down to what I think is this amazing graphic image of a city being born that we use for creative writing. It's creating worlds. And down at the bottom, of course, we have our elements of story posted, what we were doing in our campus class, which is now, of course, online because of COVID-19. Okay, so here we are. Here's our to-do list. If you have any questions or concerns or you just need to chat, I'm here in the inbox. Let's have a good week.